Pacific Food Incorporated, we have Mr. Carlo Endaya.
Good evening. Number 10. Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Casey and Inka. Thank you for braving Thursday night rains and traffic tonight. Thank you for coming. I'd like to acknowledge the presence of our media partners, our Century Pacific leaders, our chairman, Mr. Chris Paul, our COO, Greg Banzon, Superbods, past and present, our sales partners, our marketing partners, the Century Tuna team. I'd like to also acknowledge Direct Robbie and the Saga team for such a well-put event. Our agency partners, you know who you are, and of course, the friends of the brand. So tonight, we celebrate 2 milestones. So I'm sure you've picked it up a bit. We're celebrating 40 years of Century Tuna as a brand in the Philippines, and 20 years of Century Tuna Superbods. So it all began in Boracay in 2006. So the team back then first didn't have any idea how big it was going to be. But seeing how our consumers responded, they knew they were onto something special. And 20 years on, Superbods has become the defining asset of the brand. A symbol of fitness, health, and self-improvement, and a major reason why Century Tuna stands as the #1 tuna brand in the Philippines. But I'd like to take a few minutes of your time, if you would indulge me, to share with you why we are doing this. So imagine a world where yourself, your loved ones, the people you work with, your family, your friends, everyone. Imagine a world where everyone is the strongest, healthiest, most vibrant version of themselves. So that's not just a dream. That is the vision of Century Tuna. So we believe that health shouldn't be a privilege for the few. We believe that health should be accessible for everyone. So what do I mean when I say health? So that means everyone needs to have access to proper nutrition. Thank you, Century Tuna. Right level of activity, useful information, and last but not the least, motivation. So have you ever woken up feeling lazy? Lalo na ngayon, tagulan, malamig. So parang ayaw niyo bumangon, ayaw niyo mag-exercise. Sarap matulog? Sarap. But what we need is motivation. So motivation is what will make people act and create healthier habits. So motivation is the fire that keeps us going. It is the why behind the what. But we all know motivation is very personal. What is motivating to me might not be motivating to you. What is motivating to one might not be motivating to another. And that is why in Century Tuna, we know that in order to motivate people, we need a team. We need more than one. We need a team of inspiring people. That's why we need our Superbods. And adding future Superbods in the room, I'm sure you're all motivated to eat better and work out starting tonight. So what are we looking for in our Superbods? So let me